I've slowly been building out this KLX 110 to support me as an adult rider, with the goal of creating a bike that is just as much performance as it is show. You know what they say, look good, feel good, ride good. Ish. Maybe. Visually, it hasn't really looked finished until today. I've got some new goodies to put on it that should finally start to bring this thing together. Before the graphics, the bike still had that unfinished look. It was rideable, and the parts were starting to come together, but visually, it didn't really have its personality yet. For the graphics, I went with a clean color scheme. Gray primary, blue secondary, white lettering, and black accents. All of it on gray plastics. Since I've already been using blue on some of the aftermarket parts, this should really tie the whole bike together. It's kind of crazy how much the graphics changed the feel of the bike. Looking at this thing in the garage before, it just felt like a project. Now it's actually feeling like a solid build. I finally was able to get this thing out at the tracks and starting to build it out, and I began to notice some areas that the bike needed a little bit of work. It lacked some torque coming out of the turns and could use some carb adjustments to smooth out the power delivery. So keep tuning in to see what comes next. But overall, I'm super happy with how this came out. The blue and gray color combo feels clean, and it finally ties in with the blue parts I've been foreshadowing with. Let me know what you guys think of the kit, and leave a comment with what you think the next mod should be. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to keep seeing more. Now enjoy some raw laps out at the Fastener Minis Pit Bike Night, and I'll catch you on the next one.